Welcome to this quick tutorial about using the ARDA database. In this video, we'll introduce the work collected by the ARDA, give a quick tour of the website, and demonstrate how to use one of their most useful tools, the Community Profile Builder. The ARDA is a freely available resource that seeks to democratize access to the best data on religion. It is a repository of census data from religious communities in the United States, which can be searched, combined, and used to understand faith communities across the country. With the first two tabs, you can explore maps for religious groups and traditions, both in the US and in the world. Explore traditions with religious family trees, or jump straight into statistics, congregational surveys, and the data archive. In the Data Archive tab, you can explore the data sets that inform the maps and profiles. This includes polls, surveys, and census data from a variety of sources, both religious and secular. You can browse these alphabetically or by category, such as international surveys, US-specific polls and surveys, etc., or by the newest additions to the archive. The Research tab is another way to access the data archive, but it's also where you'll find the Religious Classification Syntax Guide and the Religion Dictionary. Both of these can help you interpret the data you are searching for and finding on the site. Also, under this tab are links to articles, papers, and tools for researchers. Lastly, the Teaching tab has great resources for using the ARDA data to teach others about its significance. The most important tool, however, is the Community Profile Builder. The Community Profile tool will show you the location of each congregation in a chosen area and summarizes the overall religious makeup of your county, metro area, or state. It can also layer this information with other data like housing prices, education, ethnicity, and income. You can find it under the US Religion tab on the homepage. Navigate to the Community Profiles tab and select it. To begin, enter your zip code, city and state, or a specific address and press Enter. Or click Create Profile. You can then set a radius to determine the area you want to explore. To do this, click on the map to set the center point for the radius. You'll then see a dashed circle that marks the edges of the area. You can change this number at the top of the page. When you're ready, click the Build Profile button. This will generate the report for your chosen area. You'll notice that the report automatically includes all 8 data categories as well as a list of sources. You can show or hide any category by clicking the checkbox. If you want to dive deeper into the numbers, there are more resources and detailed guides on the Community Profile landing page. Here's a quick recap of the steps. 1. Enter your zip code. 2. Set the radius for the area you'd like to search. 3. Click Create Profile to see the report. 4. Select your data sets and have fun with your numbers. We hope this is a helpful start for using the database. If you have any questions, reach out anytime.